Good morning, students. Let us start the chapter 3D. In the last class, I have discussed a little bit of about 3D. That is, three mutually perpendicular lines in the space. Divide the space into 8 parts. Each part is called octants. One is x-axis, one is y-axis, and one is z-axis. If you draw the negative side of this x-axis, that is x dash. The negative side of y-axis, that is y dash, and negative side of z-axis, that is z dash. Three mutually perpendicular line. आपको जैसे as I told you yesterday, if I am taking this chalk box as 3D, this is x-axis and this is x-axis, this is y-axis, z-axis. This will divide the whole space into 8 parts. Each part is called octants. Octant को naming दे रखा है NCERT में. No need of naming. I will give the naming as octant oblique coordinates. Coordinate का sign बताऊंगी. Coordinate. First of all, we will take this little bit big है तो थोड़ा छोटा करके करना पड़ेगा. First one we will take as OXYZ. OXYZ, all are positive. Then what is the sign of XYZ? Both in OXYZ plane, OXYZ plane, all are positive. So that X coordinate is of positive sign, Y is positive sign, Z is positive sign. Next, let us take OX dash Y dash. OX dash Y, Z. X dash means negative. That is negative of X is minus X. That is X is minus, again plus and plus. Next is OX Y dash. एक बार एक dash लेते रहना. It is X is positive, Y is negative, Z is positive. Next is OX Y Z dash. X is positive, Y is positive, Z is negative. Now take two at a time. O X dash Y dash Z minus minus plus. O X dash Y Z dash minus plus minus. Last one is all are O. How many are 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is first is X dash Y dash X and Y negative, X and Z negative. Next is Y and Z negative. That is plus minus minus. Last one is all are negative. O X dash Y dash Z dash is minus minus minus. In this way you can name the octant. First one is take all positive, last take all negative. In the meanwhile take one positive and other two negative, and take one negative, other two positive. In this way we can name the octants. And this chapter is so simple, no need of doing any more explanation. Now next is how we can find distance formula. Like in 2D, this is also in 3D, there is distance formula. How we can find distance formula. Distance formula find out करने के लिए let us take. I will not give you any derivation. You have to learn it by heartly. This is x-axis. This is y-axis, z-axis. I am taking 2 points. And sorry, before starting this, each point in 3D plane can. Before starting distance formula, let us discuss the coordinates of a point. Each of the plane, each point of a 3D plane can be denoted by the triplet that is x, y, z. X is the distance of perpendicular distance of this P from the x-axis. Y is the perpendicular distance of the point P from y-axis. Z is the perpendicular distance of P from z-axis. Now, any point on x-axis, y coordinate and z coordinates are 0. Then any point on x-axis, x comma 0 comma 0. Or any point on y-axis is x and z are 0, 0 comma y comma 0. x-axis में x रहेगा, बाकी दोनों 0 रहेंगे. On y-axis, y will remain, other will be 0. In z-axis, z will be remaining and other two are negative, 0. That is 0 comma 0 comma z. This is the standard form of any point on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis in 3D plane. Now, what is xz plane? This plane is xz plane. Xz plane, any point on xz plane, the standard, the general form of the coordinate of any point on xz plane is x comma 0 comma z. That means in xz plane, y-axis is not coming, that is why it is 0. xz plane में x और z coordinates रहेंगे, y axis है नहीं इसलिए वो 0 हो गया. In xy plane, which axis is not the z axis? So that x, y, comma 0. In yz plane, no x axis, so that 0 comma y comma z. Once more I am explaining. Any point on the 3D plane can be denoted by triplet, that is P, X, Y, Z. First is the first coordinate shows the distance, perpendicular distance of that from X-axis. Second will give perpendicular distance from Y-axis. Third will give perpendicular distance from Z-axis. Any point on X-axis is X, 0, 0. Y-axis is 0, Y, 0. Z-axis is 0, 0, Z. This much you know. Next is distance formula. How we can find distance formula? Now, very simple, like in 2D case, here it will be Z coordinate. I am taking the point, let P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2. P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2. With the two given points, you have to find the distance between these 2 points. इस दोनों पॉइंट्स का डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए if I just will give the explanation, no need of doing any derivation. It's very simple. If you draw perpendicular like this, it is L or it is M. Now this point is you can take as x1 y1 and this is you can take x2 y2. क्यों? ये xy plane में x1 y1 x2 y2 हो गया. This distance is n and this distance is z2 minus z1. Now if you apply pq square is equal to, I will just show the derivation, no need of doing any derivation, pn square plus qn square. Pn square plus nq square, this is perpendicular, but in 2D plane we can find perpendicular like this. That is pn square is lm square plus qn square. That is lm square is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Qn square is z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the distance formula. If you want to take the square root, then you will get PQ, distance between 2 points in the space whose coordinates are given as x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2 is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Now let us do some questions based on distance formula. I am doing question example 2. Example 2, page number 28.8. Page number 28.8. I am reading the question. Prove by using distance formula the points P 1, 2, 3, Q minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and R 3, 5, 7 are collinear. Using the concept of distance formula, P is given as 1, 2, 3, Q is given as minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and R is 3, 5, 7 and R is 3, 5, 7. You have to prove that using distance formula these 3 points are collinear. If you can prove that sum of any two length, that is we can find PQ, QR and PR. If sum of any two length is equal to the third length, then the points are collinear. That means if ABC are collinear, then if you prove that if ABC are said to be collinear, if AB plus BC equal to AC, that means any of the two side length, sum of any two lengths equal to third length. Before that, let us find PQ. PQ is equal to minus 1 whole square by using the distance formula, minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Now by taking this, it becomes 4 plus that is 9 plus 60, that is root 29. Now QR is equal to again 3 plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square plus 7 plus 1 whole square. That is what you will get root 16 plus 25 plus 64, that is root 64. This is 64, that is root 116. Root 116 you can write it as 4 into 29, that is 2 root 29. Now third is PR. PR is equal to under root of 3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square. That means if you find this value, you get 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is root 29. Now see, PQ plus PR is what? PQ plus PR is equal to root 29 plus root 29, that is 2 root 29, that is equal to QR. That is equal to QR. That means PQ plus PR equal to QR. That means sum of two length equal to third length. Therefore, P comma Q comma R are collinear. This is very simple question. Now next question is I am reading example 3 of the same page number 28.8. 28.8 I am reading. Determine the point in xy plane which is equidistant from 3 points A 2, 0, 3, B 0, 3, 2 and C 0, 0, 1. You have to find the any point on xy plane. In xy plane, which axis is not finding? Xy plane, no z axis. That means z coordinate equal to 0. Z coordinate equal to 0. Now, so that you can assume, let the point on xy plane, let the point on xy plane be x comma y comma 0. Now, you are given that this point is equidistant from 3 points. A is 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3. B is 0, 3, 2 and C is 0, 0, 1. आपको क्या दे रखा है? You are given that this point is let the point be P. This point is equidistant from all these given 3 points. PA equal to PB. That implies PA square is equal to PB square. That implies PA square is PB square is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to PA हो गया, that is PA. PB is 0 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. Now, if you add x square, y square, x square, y square, x square get cancelled. By solving this, you will get. I am not going to show you any step. I will write it directly. That is 4x minus 6y is equal to 0. On simplification, you will get 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Let it be case number 1. Now, which point is to be taken? We have taken PA equal to PB. Now, which point is remaining, B or C? Now, PB is equal to PC. That is also given. Because given point P is equidistant from the given points A, B, C. That means once we have taken PA equal to PB, now we are taking PB equal to PC. That implies PB square is equal to PC square. Now, PB square, all the points I have rubbed. PB is PB. That means x minus 0 whole square. X minus 0 whole square, that is the x coordinate, plus y minus 3 whole square, plus, I rubbed it, that is why I have to see the book. 0 minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus PC, x minus 0 whole square, plus C point दे रखा है 0, 0, 1, y minus 0 whole square, plus z minus 1 whole square. Sorry, x minus 0 whole square, PB है, PB का पॉइंट दे रखा है C, सॉरी दिस वन इज आपने पॉइंट के लिया है XYZ को आपने लिया है XY0, तो 0 minus 1 whole square. Now all the x square plus y square get cancelled. If you solve it, you will get minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. That is once I am explaining x minus 0 whole square PB square plus y minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square. Simplification will get minus 6y plus 12 equal to 0 implies y equal to 2. That means you got y equal to 2. How we can find x using 1? 1 gives 2x minus 6 equal to 0 implies x equal to 3. That means you got the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Therefore, P, the required point P is equal to x comma y comma 0 is equal to 3 comma 2 comma 0. This is the second question. Now third question is, I am reading the question. This is NCERT question. Example 4. of the same page number 28.8, and you have to do an NCERT question by yourself. Find the coordinates of a point in y-axis. Y-axis means all x and z coordinate will be 0, which is at a distance 5 root from the point P 3, minus 2, 5. That is, any point on y-axis. Any point on y-axis can be taken as 0, y, 0. And this point can be, you can take as y-axis BP, and A, this can be taken as A. इसको A लेते, P is given as 3, minus 2, 5. As per question, you are given that PA या AP is equal to 5 root 2, implies AP square is equal to 50. That is, AP square is root 3 minus 0 whole square, 3 minus 0 whole square, plus y plus 2 minus 2 minus y whole square, plus 5 minus 0 whole square is equal to 50. Now, if you solve it, you will get 9 plus y plus 2 whole square. I am taking minus square, that is positive. Why I am leaving this, you can find in the next step. Plus 25 is equal to 50. That implies y plus 2 whole square is equal to 50 minus 34 is equal to 16. Implies y plus 2, taking square root, you will get plus or minus 4. देखा, y plus 2 को खोलेंगे, फिर आपको स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म लगाना पड़ेगा. डायरेक्ट y plus 2 का स्क्वायर रूट लिया, प्लस और माइनस 4 ले लिया, बट यू हैव टू टेक बोथ प्लस और माइनस साइन. दैट इम्प्लाइज y is equal to 4 minus 2 or y is equal to minus 4 minus 2, that is 2 minus 6. That means you got two values of y. Therefore, required point A is equal to A, what you assume, 0, y, 0. There are 2 points. The coordinate local points are 0, 2, 0 and 0, minus 6, 0. These are the 2 points. Now, next question is example 6. Now, next question is example 6 in page number 28.9. I am reading the question. Find the locus of the point which is equidistant from the points A 0, 2, 3, 2, minus 2, 1. You are given two points A 0, 2, 3 and B 2, minus 2, 1. Let the given required point be P, X, Y, Z. Now, given that, क्या दे रखा आपको? PA is equal to PB. That implies PA square is equal to PB square. By applying distance formula, you will get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to PB is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square plus z minus 1 whole square. By simplifying, I am not going you any simplification step. By simplification, you will get it as 4x minus 8y plus minus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0. Once more, let me check. 4x minus 8y minus 4z plus 4 equal to 0. By cancelling by 4, you will get x minus 2y minus z plus 1 equal to 0. That is, the locus of the required point is x minus 2y minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Now, one more question we will do, the last question of this distance formula, that is example 7. This question you can, important one, this question you can expect for 2 marks. I am reading the question. Find the coordinates of a point from the 4 points O 0, 0, 0, A small a 0, 0, B 0, small b 0 and C 0, 0, C. Find the coordinate of a point. Let the P be the required point. Let P be the required point. Then coordinate of P can be assumed as x, y, z. What are the coordinate points given? 0, 0, 0. A is A, 0, 0. B is 0, B, 0. C is 0, 0, C. Now you are going that these points are equally equidistant from all the three given points. That means first of all we will take the case of OP equal to AP. That means given that OP is equal to AP, that implies OP square is equal to AP square. OP square is 0 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square plus 0 minus z whole square. AP is a minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square plus 0 minus z whole square. That means x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square plus x square minus 2ax plus y square plus z square. All x square, y square and z square are getting cancelled. You will get 2ax equal to a square implies x equal to a by 2. One is getting cancelled. Now we have to find the value of y. For getting the value of y निकालने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? OP equal to PB करेंगे. OP is equal to PB implies OP square is equal to PB square. Right side will be same as this one, that is 0 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square plus 0 minus z whole square is equal to and 0 and PB लिया PB का B का कोऑर्डिनेट है 0 B 0, that is 0 minus x whole square plus या a minus x था, that is B minus y whole square plus 0 minus z whole square. Now again by solving you will get that implies x square plus y square plus z square is equal to x square plus b square plus y square minus 2by plus z square. X square getting cancelled, y square getting cancelled, z square getting cancelled, you will get b square is equal to 2by and translation you will get y equal to b by 2. Now we got the value of x equal to a by 2 and y equal to b by 2. Similarly you can write, similarly by taking OP equal to PB लिया, next point कौन सा assume कर दे रखा OC. Similarly by taking OC is equal to PC you will get Z equal to C by 2. Therefore the required point is equal to, we assumed as x comma y comma z, that is a by 2 comma a by 2 comma a by 2. That is the a by 2 comma y is b by 2 and z is c by 2. So the required point is a by 2 comma b by 2 comma c by 2. That means today we have discussed about octants. Three mutually perpendicular lines in the plane divides the plane these mutually perpendicular lines in the space divide the space into 8 parts octants. Each part is called and octants can be named as OX, YZ like that. And how we can name the octants OX, YZ or X dash YZ, एक बार सारे plus एक बार सारे minus, taking one negative and two negative like that, and distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. I also we discussed about its proof also, and we have done a lot of questions. I hope that you understood. See you again in the next class. Do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you.